A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear with a big clap, clap. C is for cat who says meow, meow. D is for dog, let's bark right now. Woof, woof. E is for elephant, so big and gay. F is for frog who loves to hop and play. Ribbit, ribbit, let's go. ABC, come and sing with me. Every letter has an animal, let's learn them happily. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for horse with clip-clop feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, watch him go. K is for kangaroo, hopping all around. L is for lion, hear that mighty sound. Let's go A, B, C, come and sing with me. Every letter has an animal, let's learn them happily. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for narwhal, swimming in the seas. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, it snows so white. Q is for quail, tiny and quick. R is for rabbit with a jump and a kick. Can you flap your arms like a bird, or hop like a kangaroo? Let's move with the animals while we sing the next letters too. Work is for snake, who slithers so slow. T is for tiger, with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, the biggest in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, as cool as can be. Y is for yak, with fur so long. Z is for zebra, let's end the song. We sang ABC with animals from land and sea. Now you know the alphabet, you're as smart as can be. See you next time, my animal friends. Let's sing again. When the